Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how we can use this industrial 4G router R10A gateway to convert our Modbus serial data into MQTT data format. Okay, so here is our Modbus serial transmitter which is providing data to this R10A gateway, and with the help of this gateway we have transmitted, or we can say we have published the data of temperature and humidity into the MQTT broker, and in the MQTT Explorer we were reading those data, like this is the temperature data and this is the humidity data. But there is one problem here. We are reading the actual values. Okay, I mean we are reading the raw values. We have to do some arithmetic operation to get the actual temperature value. So this is the 309, okay, which is the raw value, but my actual temperature is 30.9 degrees centigrade. So I have to divide this value by 10 to get my actual temperature value. And same for humidity, I have to divide this 535 by 10 to get my actual percentage relative humidity. So my actual percentage relative humidity right now is 53.5. So I want to divide these two values by 10 and then I want to publish on MQTT broker. Okay, so that I want to do with this R10A gateway. So let's see how we can do the arithmetic operation on our registers to get the actual values over the MQTT data. Okay, and this gateway is brought to you by the Arithmetic Technologies Private Limited. They are the official distributor of BLIoT products in India. You can buy this kind of gateway, BLIoT gateways, from their website, or you can directly call them to purchase this kind of gateway. Now let's focus on arithmetic operation in the R10A gateway. So if I open my configuration page for this R10A gateway, you can see here we have set up the Modbus master. Okay, and then we navigate to Modbus query to read the data. So if I click on display channel here, the data will get refreshed. Okay, you can see 30.9 is my current temperature and 53.4 is my percentage relative humidity, but the data I am getting is the raw value 309 and 534. I want to divide this two data by 10. Okay, so we have to navigate to this operation and control option to perform arithmetic operations. Now you can see mapping register mapping address is 20,001 and 20,002. So we have to divide these two registers by 10. Okay, so we have to remember this mapping address. We have to go to operation and control here, and then we want to perform the arithmetic operation, and we want to perform arithmetic operation on temperature tag first and then the humidity tag. So here is my temperature tag. Okay, I'm going to add it, and we already know. Now you can see register 20,001. Okay, and if you see here, you can see register 20,001. We want to divide this by 10. Okay, so we have to select it here, and what operation we want to do, we want to divide it by 10. And what will be the second input? Okay, we want to divide it by some another register, or we want to divide it by using constant value. So we want to divide it by using constant value, and the constant value is 10. Now the third operation is we have to provide the third operation. Okay, we cannot ignore it, so we will select plus here, and then we will select none here, and the output address. Okay, output address of this arithmetic operation will be stored in REG 4000. Okay, and we want to publish those data, so we have selected it here and we have saved it. Okay, once I click on save and apply, then you will see the output value here. Okay, you can see 30.79. okay, this is the output value of my temperature, and if I go to my MQTT Explorer, you can see value 30.7999, and this is my REG 4000, which you can see here, output address REG 4000. So this is my temperature value now. Okay, it's the actual temperature value. Now same I want to do it for humidity. I want to perform arithmetic operation for my humidity raw value. So humidity, I'm going to add it, and for humidity I have the address of REG 20,002. so REG 20,002, I'm going to divide it by constant value, and the constant value is 10, and after plus operation, and then input 3 is none, and output address will be 4002, as 4000 is already used for the temperature. Okay, so we are going to use 4002, and we want to publish this data as well. So we have to select this option and we are going to save it, and then we will do save and apply to apply the configuration changes in our gateway. Okay, you can see the percentage relative humidity value 52.09. Okay, so the data is publishing now in our MQTT broker, and you can see the data here 52.20 and 30.90. So this is our actual temperature value, and previously it was our raw temperature value. Okay, now what we want to do is we don't want to publish this raw value. Okay, 309.00, we don't want to publish this value. We only want to publish this value, okay, the divided value, or we can see the actual value of our temperature and humidity. So what we can do is we can again navigate to this R10A configuration page. We can go to remote IO, and then we can go to Modbus master, and we can navigate to Modbus query, and we don't want to publish the raw value, okay, 308 and 522. So what we can do is we can click on edit here, and then we can uncheck on this publish box. Okay, and we will save it here, and then we will also do it for humidity, and we will do save and apply. Okay, so once the configuration will apply to our gateway, you will not see the raw value here. You can see we have only two values in our payload. The first one is for temperature and the second one is for humidity. The value will update whenever the raw value will update. Okay, if you want to see the graph, we can see the graph here. Okay, let me disconnect and let me connect again, so you will get the clear graph here. Yes. Okay, you will see every 5 seconds this value will change, and you will see those change in this graph. Okay, so this is how you can use arithmetic and control operation and control function in R10A gateway. And in operation and control, you can use arithmetic operation to perform arithmetic operation on your tag, which you are going to read from your any Modbus devices. Okay, right now I have Modbus serial devices, but if you have some sensor connected, or if you have some other device connected, then also you can use arithmetic operation to convert your data in your desired format. So this is how you can read the data from Modbus serial device. Also, after reading the data from Modbus serial device, you can do some arithmetic operation and control, and then using the cloud platform and in the custom cloud platform, you can publish your data in the MQTT broker, as I am publishing right now. Okay, and I am getting those data in my MQTT Explorer. But instead of MQTT Explorer, you can also use Ignition SCADA, Node-RED, Plant SCADA, or any other software which can read data from MQTT broker. Okay, or which is supporting the MQTT protocol. Okay, so this is how you can use operation and control and arithmetic operation function in the R10A Industrial 4G router gateway. And this gateway is brought to you by the Augmetic Technologies Private Limited. You can visit their website, you can call them on their phone number, okay, to buy this kind of BLIoT industrial products. Okay, so I hope you got this, that how we can use the arithmetic operation and operation and control function in the industrial 4G router. And if you still have any question or any doubt or any concern, then you can ping me on the WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, anywhere, and I will try to resolve your doubt as soon as possible. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.